Hello Year 2 and welcome to today's maths meeting for Wednesday the 24th of February 2021. As always, you need something to write with and something to write on. So if you don't have it, pause the video and go and get it. Join in with me. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has but 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. Using that rhyme, can you please answer the two questions? How many days are there in July and how many days are there in October? Pause the video while you have a think and write your answers down. How many days are there in July? 31. There are 31 days in July. And what about October? Also 31 days. There are 31 days in October. The 31st of October is Halloween. Let's see what Benny's up to today. He's only got 3 coins in his bank today, but I think he might be a bit richer. Let's check the value of each of these coins. This one here is worth, it's £1. That's 100 pence. A 10 pence and another 10 pence. Pause the video while you work out how much money Benny has altogether. Okay, we know he's got £1, which is 100 pence. He's got £1 and then 10, 20. He's got £1 and 20 pence. We write it like this. We've got our pound sign, £1 dot 20 pence. When we've used our pound sign, remember, we don't have to put the pence after. It's just the pound sign. £1 and 20 pence is equal to 120 pence. So if you wrote 120 pence, you're right. But we need to start using this pound sign once we get past 100. Multiples. Right, I've got a new pattern here for you. Let's have a look at these numbers. 802. They can't be multiples of 10 because they don't all end in a 0. They can't be multiples of 5 because they don't end in a 5 and a 0. I've got an 8 and a 2. Let's have a think. 18, 20, 22. They could be counting in 2s. 2 more than 18 is 20 and 2 more than 20 is 22. This pattern is counting in 2s. The numbers increasing or decreasing. Starts at 18, ends at 36. These numbers are increasing. Now we know they're counting in 2s, upwards, increasing. Use the clues to help you work out what are the missing numbers in this pattern. Pause the video while you write them down. $18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. My next one would be 38. Well done. Counting in 2s, increasing, helped you find the missing numbers 24, 26, 32 and 34. Now, I'm going to need my multiples. Oh, I've got some biscuits here. They look delicious. Pause the video while you have a think. How many packs are there? how many biscuits in each pack, and then use that information to help you write your multiplication equation and find out how many altogether. Pause the video and write it down. Okay, how many packs or groups of these biscuits do I have? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 packets of biscuits. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 biscuits in each packet, 5 in each group. So I've got 3 packs of 5 biscuits. 3 packs of 5 biscuits is equal to, here's a 5, and a 5. 5, 10, 15. 3 packs of 5 biscuits is equal to 15, which means 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Very well done if you're writing down that multiplication equation. 10 more and 10 less. 10 more than 37 is what? And 10 less than 64 is what? I've put the Deans up here to help you see if you can work out 10 more and 10 less. Pause the video while you write down the answer. Okay, 10 more than 37. So there are 3 10s in 37, and I need to add 10 more. I don't need to touch my ones. 10 more than 37. Another 10. 1 more than 3 is 4. So 10 more than 37 is 47. 10 less than 64. I'm only changing the 10s, so I won't touch my ones. 10 less. 1 less than 6 is 5. So 10 less than 64 is 54. Oh, we were good at this yesterday. Do you know what Noah knows? I've given you one super easy equation. 5 plus 2 equals 7. My whole is 7. My parts are 5 and 2. If I know this equation, what other equations can you tell me? Have a think. Addition, subtraction, or even multiples of 10. Let me give you one to start off. If I know 5 plus 2 equals 7, then I also know 7 subtract 2 equals 5. Pause the video to see how many related equations you can write down. Okay, definitely should have these ones. If I know 5 plus 2 equals 7, then I know 2 plus 5 equals 7. I know 7 subtract 5 equals 2. And I know 7 subtract 2 equals 5. We know those from year 1. But now you're in year 2, we also know multiples of 10. Look at these. If I know 5 plus 2 equals 7, then I also know 50 plus 20 equals 70, 20 plus 50 equals 70, 70 take away 50 equals 20, 70 take away 20 equals 50. My goodness. And I know some of you love working out the hundreds. If I know 5 plus 2 equals 7, then I know 500 plus 200 equals 700. Well done. One easy equation, and look how much you know. We did these just before half term. I've got a tally, and people have obviously been asked about their favourite sport. Football, tennis, swimming, or running. Somebody has collected the tally, but they haven't written down all the totals. 30 people like football, 10 people like tennis. Can you please tell me how many people like swimming and how many people like running? Use the tallies to work it out. Pause the video while you write it down. Right, let's have a look at swimming. I know in a tally, when it's crossed, this is a 5, so I can count in 5s. 5, 10, 15 people like swimming. 5, 10, 15, 20 people like running. And lastly, she is shapes. She is thinking of an 8-sided shape. All of its edges are equal. What shape is she thinking of? 8 sides, all of them are equal. Pause the video while you have a think. She's thinking of a octagon, a regular octagon. All the sides are equal, 8 sides, octagon. That is the end of today's maths meeting. Well done, Year 2. We've got one more tomorrow for this week. See you then.